Itong dalawang container van na sinasabi na hinuli ninyo na may laman na drug shipment, ito ba
Pagkaminto na pinapakiusap siya. So, isa po yan na sa mga pinapakiusap niya na kargamento, pati po yung mga missing containers at saka pati po yung ibang mga nahuli sa warehousing containers at saka pati po yung ibang mga nahuli sa warehouse.
sabi mo, Mr. Chair, Guban, na maraming hinihiling sa iyo ni Small Abrera na may papasok ng kargamento. Kasama na itong dalawang, ilang container van ba ito? Isang container van lang?
Isa lang po yung
Recording in progress.
Isang container van lang. So, pero ito na nga yung binabanggit niya.
isa po yan, Your Honor.
Okay, so nung na-identify na ninyo yung container van, ano na nangyari? Did you report it to PIDEA para gumawa ng control delivery? Siyempre, binigyan ka ng information ni Colonel Asierto, binerify ninyo yung container van. Anong sunod na akbang na ginawa ninyo?
Gumawa po kami ng report, Your Honor, together with PDEA. In fact, nandun po lagi sa office ko si Intelligence Officer Bagawi. Your Honor, if I bibigay minute time, may dala po ako dito, na permado po namin ni Bagawi yung ibang mga reports tungkol po dyan sa tinatrabaho naming before, hindi pa magnetic lifter. Baka yun yung subject po namin.
Siguro on another occasion, because we will have a next hearing next week, Mr. Chair. Sa pagka ngayon, marami pang mag-interpolate. But anyway, after nung identify mong container van, yung coordinated with PIDEA, ano nang sunod na nangyari?
Hanggang sa, Your Honor, inaprobahan na po yung aming request through the Intelligence, Deputy Commissioner for Intelligence ng Bureau of Customs. Inaprobahan na po ni Commissioner na ibaba, buksan ang container number na yun, na ni-request po namin. Dahil natapos na po namin ma-develop doon po sa Manila International Container Port. And that was also the time, Your Honors, na ilorderan si Collector Bakiran para isaayos yung container na yun na may lamang magnetic lifter.
So, kailan mo binuksan yung container van?
Kung di po ako nagkakamali, Your Honor, that was August 7, 2018.
Pero sa pagkakaalam ko, hindi ba dinalan nyo sa warehouse yung container van?
No, Your Honor, sa kaloob po mismo ng custom po yan hinuli, hindi po yan nakalabas.
Okay, so hindi na nakalabas.
Opo, Your
And
Honor.
then after that, you did your investigation and then you filed cases.
Your Honor, turn over na po namin sa PIDEA during that time. Sila na po nun, kasi wala na po sa amin ang trabaho nun. Trabaho na po ng PIDEA. After po ng interception, after ng apprehension, nasa PIDEA na po ang kamay. Pati po yung pag-iimbintaryo ng illegal na droga siya.
Pero hanggang ngayon, Mr. Jiguman, Mr. Chair, sino ba talaga nagpasok nitong illegal drug shipment na ito under Bicaba Trading?
Your Honor, based on the reports, even in my affidavit, Your Honor, in my last testimony,
Sino yan?
Hernan Daito, nilaso nila, sabi nila mismo,
Guban.
Ay, Guban.
kasama ni Bidas Cabral Barakel, ni Loquiga, ni Katipan, na nagparating yan ay si Michael Yang,
Madam?
si Mans, at saka si Pulong Duterte.
Yung manugang.
It's from their mouth, not from us. Which, if I may continue, Your Honor, na yun din ang sinasabi ni Mr. Paul Gutierrez
Sinanong daw niya.
sa advice sa kanya
Yanan pala niya.
ni Benny Antiporda na wag kong babanggitin
Yanan pala niya yun.
during the hearing.
Na-
Na hindi ko magawa-gawa, Your Honors, kaya
Anak,
si Karen Asierto,
manugang pala niya
ang
yung
naisip
lalaki.
kong isakripisyo ang buhay
Yung matanda yung buhay.
para po kami lahat ligtas. Akala ko po lahat kami
Sinabi daw niya
maliligtas.
yung nangyari.
I am under juris,
Usapan
threatened
dyan,
ako
sabi.
so much, kaya yan po ang ginawa kong paraan. Nagsakripisyo kami.
Biyanan nung...
During the Senate hearing, Your Honor, the consignee, Bidas Cabral Barakel,
Yung
inadmit
lalaki
niya
yan na
at
bumibili
inadmit
dito, biyanan
ni
pala niya
General
yung
Aquino
matanda.
during that time, he was the DG ng PIDEA, na dinala niya ang tatlo
Huwag mo nang ano.
sa Senate Blue Ribbon Committee investigation.
Ang sabi niya
Then
daw,
after that, nawala na.
PCR lang si Queen
Yung
Lydia,
tatlong
kaya
umaming
pumasok.
may-ari. At ang ang alam ko, ang NCR director din was already Director
Almost
Plaza.
30 minutes naki-CR.
Hanggang ngayon po, yung tatlong may-ari na umamin na sila ang may-ari ng kargamento, ginamit sila ni Casey Chan, ay nawawala po hanggang ngayon. At ako po ay nag-request na, I think twice, sa National Bureau of Investigation ng whereabouts ng tatlo
Tignan mo si
para po
Pimentel.
yung justisya ng
Inaantok
ating
si
kaso
Pimentel.
ay mailabas ang tunay at totoo kung sino talaga ang mafia ng droga.
Mr. Chair, the name of Benyon Taporda and Paul Gutierrez has already come up several times in these hearings. May I know if Mr. Benyon Taporda and Mr. Paul Gutierrez is present at this point?
Yes, Your Honor, I think Mr. Benny of 24 this year.
Ay,
and
si
Mr.
Guban
Paul
pala
Gutierrez
yan.
is
Yan yung sa
behind
Bucor.
you.
Ay, yung sa costume. Costume.
Can we ask them, I can ask a question
Okay,
regarding to the
Kami
affidavit
ano,
of Mr.
share
Guban?
to.
Paige, can you please assist Mr. Antiporda and Mr.
Naka-online
Paul
din siya
Gutierrez?
to eh.
Kilala niya si Guban?
Oo.
So may I ask if Mr. Antiporda and Mr.
Ay,
Gutierrez
ito
has
si
taken their oath?
Antiporda.
Have you taken your oath? Thank you. How about
Ah,
Mr.
yan,
Paul
Benny
Gutierrez? Have you
Antiporda.
taken your oath? Okay, so
Yun
Commissioner,
ang
please
nagsabi
administer
na
the
walang
oath.
kasalanan si
Mr.
Michael
Paul
yan.
Gutierrez.
Ah. Kasi inchik din eh, oh. Parang inchik din.
Sir, please raise your right hand. Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth in
At
this
least
public,
itong Nuno,
in this
Nuno
congressional
rin,
inquiries of
nagsasabi
you?
ng totoo sa question.
Thank you, sir.
No.
Okay, please
Mr.
proceed.
Chair,
Congressman.
Mr. Chair,
Itong
thank you
babae,
very much,
Rose
Mr. Chair.
Lynn.
Mr.
Yung
Paul
asawa ng
Gutierrez,
Hong Konger.
saan ba dyan si Paul Gutierrez? Yun.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
Saan po kayo na-assign ngayon? Nasa gobyerno po ba kayo? Kasi I understand, a month ago, you were assigned sa kung saan government agency yun?
Yes, Mr. Chairman, I was the previous executive director of our Presidential Task Force on Media Security. My services was expired only last September 12, Mr. Chairman.
Okay, Mr. Chair. Mr.
Recording in
Paul Gutierrez,
progress.
mabuti nandito po kayo, Mr. Paul Gutierrez. Kasi dito sa sinumpang salaysay ni Jimmy Guban, paragraph 18. While I was detained at the Senate, a media personnel who introduced himself as
ito yung
Paul
media.
Gutierrez, who worked as staff of
Si
Secretary
Antiporda
Benny
pala.
Taporda, accompanied by a Blue Ribbon Committee staff, came to my room
Siya ang
at the
duro-duro
Senate
sa
where I was
kanya.
detained and thereafter. Wag na wag mong banggitin ang mga pangalan nila Pulong, Michael Yang at Mans. Alam naman namin kung saan ka nakatira, ang pamilya mo. Alam din namin na nasa Makating anak mong lahat. Did you make this threat when Mr. Jimmy Guban was detained at the Senate premises?
No, Mr. Chairman, I categorically deny the lies being spread by Mr. Guban in this committee, Mr. Chairman.
But you were there during the hearings.
Mr. Chairman, at the time I was assigned as a reporter for People's Journal Tonight, my beat is the Senate. That's why I'm always there to cover all the hearings and all the developments in the Senate and also at the Bureau of Customs, Mr. Chairman.
Remember, Mr. Paul Gutierrez, that you just took your oath.
Yes, Mr. Chairman.
So there are two versions of this issue. One person is saying that you went to his room and you made the threat and you're denying it.
No, Mr. Chairman, I'm denying the lies that he told this committee. When this issue was first brought up,
Galing pala
when these
sa
lies
sulo.
was first propagated by Mr. Guban during the hearing on
Ano
August
siya eh?
26,